Okay, now what we're going to do is apply this polynomial stuff to some problem solving. Now, here's what you're not going to do. You're not going to make all these boxes, and the reason why is because now you're dealing with a shape. So let's talk about the shape, and then we're going to draw the picture of the shape. That's the way to go. That's the only way to go. You're designing a frame to surround a rectangular picture. The width of the frame around the picture is the same on every side. The picture is 22 by 20 inches. So I draw this picture. It's 22 by 20 inches. Okay, and there's a frame going around the outside. Okay, so this is obviously a rectangle that's surround. That's a surround, if you remember those from the other assignment. Then what I do is I know that the area is length times width, okay? So I'm going to make a parentheses. I'm just going to put a little L, and that's width. Okay, so the length going across the bottom here, from here to here is 20. That's unknown, so that's X, and that's X. So there's two X's, so it's going to be 2X plus 20. Okay, now the width is the same thing. I've got 20, and this is why I had you do that assignment like that, and that's going to be 2x, well, it's 20 by 20, that needs to be 22, sorry, 22. 2x plus 22. Okay, now let's find the product. This is a multiplication, so what I do is I go one by one. I take 2x times 2x, back to the 2x times 22, and then that first 2x we can forget, and then we got 20 times 2x and 20 times 22. Okay, now with that being done, 2 times 2 is 4. Both factors have x, so 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 22 is 44. Only one of those factors has x right there, and it's just a regular x, so we're just going to put regular x. 20 times 2 is 40. Only one of those factors has the x. It's just a regular x, so I just put x. And then 20 times 22 is 440. Okay, now these two can be added, okay, because those are like terms. They both have just x. So I have the 4x to the second. 44 plus 40 is 84, and we're going to put an x on that. And then plus 440, and that's all you do on part A. Okay, it's really just a glorified FOIL problem. Okay, now what it says is find the combined area of the picture and frame if the width of the frame is 4 inches. So what I know now is that these x's that I didn't know, whoops. Pause. Sorry. Hello? I'm filming a video at school. Can I call you back here in about 15 minutes? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I should be there. All right, see ya. Yep, bye. Sorry about that. Okay. It's my dad. Okay, find the combined area of the picture and the frame if the width of the frame is 4 inches. Okay, so what I'm going to do is replace these x's. I can't stop the video because then I'll have to start all over. I put 4 in those. Okay, so x equals 4. Those x's I didn't know up here. Now I know it's 4 because we got 4. X equals 4. So I'm going to replace those x's with 4. So 4 parentheses 4 to the second plus 84 parentheses 4 plus 440. Okay, we just insert those in for x. Remember the second power goes out there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is use my calculator. So I've got 4 to the second. My second power is here. I mean, I don't know where yours is at, if it's on a phone or something. 4. We might have to look at that. Plus 440. Okay, 840. And the label for that is, and when you're finding area is inside of something, that's 840 square inches. Okay. Okay, a rectangular trivet has a ceramic center and a wooden border. The center's 8 by 6 inches. So I've got 8 and 6, so we got this border going on the outside. Polynomial for the area. Okay, so we got the length times the width. Length down here, that's going to be 8, and we don't know those, so that's 2x plus 8. The surrounds are always 2x. Again, that's a surround. I think I misspelled that. Surround. Sorry about that. Here to here, 6, x, and x. Okay, so I've got 2x plus 8, and then here's going to be 2x plus 6. Okay, so let's multiply that out. So I've got 2x times 2x. 2x times 6. That's done. Now 8 times 2x. And 8 times 6. Okay, so that's going to be 4, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. That's going to be 12, and then look, only one of the factors has an x, so we're just going to put x on that 12. That's 16x, and that's 48. Now obviously those two need to be added because they're like terms. So I've got 4x to the second, 12 plus 16 is 28x, and then we have the 48. Okay, now what I do is find the total area of the trivet if the width is 2 inches. So this 2 means I'm going to plug the 2 in for x, because those x's I didn't know are now 2's, they say. Okay, so what I do is I replace my x's with 2. So 4 parentheses 2 to the second, you can see what I'm doing, plus 28. And then 2 plus 48. Okay, I'm just going to roll that in. So 4 parentheses 2 to the second plus 28 parentheses 2 plus 48 gives me 120. And the label's inches, so it'd be square inches, because you find the area inside of something. Even like my desk, okay? My desk has space in it. I'm measuring the amount of space on the desk, how many square inches. That's how you can think about square inches. It's just like space measurement. Okay, I went through 2 problems. You have 2 to do on the assignment. I hope it's been informative. If you have any problems, let me know.